ndị Igbo ekenekwa m ndị ndị manje n'elu. O nwere video now Samuel regarding Peter Obi. Mana due na that video nwere ka o si wee dị. Mma like ka m play that video. Ma like play the video na-play ya ka na agwa unu ka the thing routine si wee biko gee ntị unu play ya mpọsụ onye ọbụla ngwa unu ihe ọ na-ekwu. Because the video on has can play ya ka unu mee ihe dị ya. Most people will miss the message on ground and not the video. So na kan gekwa ntị ka unu ihe okwu gee ntị.
Faɗuwar bakar tasa ai ragas duk da mun san 100% Peter Obi ya buga wani ƴan uwansa da mu gwara mu zabi Obi din mu da ku dukan mu rasa ko ku rasa mulkin mu ma mu rasa abin da muke bukata inda dan uwan mu muka zaba a tafi haka ayo ai dama mun zo mun zabi dan uwan namu lokacin da muka hada kai muka kada Jonathan dan uwan namu yazo shekara 8 bai sina na mana komai ba yau dai yanzu ma mun kara zaba Peter Obi iya babban abin da ake tsoro da Peter Obi shine in an zabe shi karshe zai tattara ya mai da komai kudancin Najeriya bangaren ya fara bangaren can gurin karshe ma a tattaro a koro yan arewa shikenan kun ga an raba Najeriya dama mu in an raba ta din ma haka muke so domin da wannan zaman dama tsaga sinan ne aka yi kowa ya kama gaban sa.
Thank you. O nwere ihe okwu ọ sị that na ọkala ha mma na ha vote Peter Obi, that na ha mana na 100% of Peter Obi, that no ọka value ndị be ha karịa some of their people, some of ndị Igbo, that na ebe ọ na ndị Yoruba dosa Nigeria na mgbe ha tikara aka ọnụ uche ndị Yoruba vote out Jonathan because na no nwere ihe ha na-atageti. Mana kịta anụnwa no Peter Obi bụ onye ha chọrọ ịkwụ n'azụ, that even when they join hand kwatu Jonathan n'ọchịchị na nwanne ha nwoke ligodi ya share for 8 years could not do anything for them. Then always say that the only thing no man and ndị mmadụ na-atụ ụjọ bụ na ndị mmadụ na-atụ ụjọ na ọ nwere ike evotu Peter Obi nwere ike okpokọrọ ihe niile na Nigeria kpoda ya ana Igbo ndị Igbo bezie ka ndị Igbo nwezi everything ọsọ bụ na evotu Peter Obi ka ọ mee the thing na ọka mma ọ na ka onye ọbụla mee gịnị na ọrụ onwe ha ebe ndị Yoruba si ka ha dosa Nigeria na ka ha nwakwu dosochi nwanne ka onye ọbụla nọrọzie elu aka ana elu aka ọ ihe dị na akọwa mana ka anyị continue na gatins can play the video so that kunu wee nwee ike ghọta the message n'aka on.
Yi mana sauki saboda ka tabbatar tabbatar muku da cewa idan kun tafi a haka to kuma muna da wata hanya domin addinin musulunci bai hana mu in mun rasa yadda zabi ba wallahi da mu zaɓi munafikin musulmi wanda ake haɗa kai da shi a cutar da musulunci da mu zaɓi waɗanda suke su ne arnan arewa da mu zaɓi gwamnatin gungun da arnan arewa da sun mafiya a shaddu waɗanda sun fi tsanar musulmai da musulunci a Najeriya wallahi da mu zaɓe su gwara mu je mu zaɓi in yamurin da dangurin su zamu yi ragas ta yadda mu din idan mun je can kudin a koro mu su ma arnan arewan in sun je a koro su mu da su kowa ya ragas saboda
now if for that video me only him me na that my last video me about Peter Obi agwa me that now no matter how bona anya na nda Hausa he will still be regarded as arne yotago for a Muslim man to open up his mouth for the Christian, he sees it as a taboo. He rather call you arne kafiri than a Christian. This guy will say that na kata ma ha ye vote ndị be ha ya ligoro n'ọchịchị o nwere ha ya emela ha no kala ha mma na ha vote concat arne vote onye ezigbote arne ka njọ that na vote we ma onye Igbo ama na o set ya ha na ndị Igbo egodobi ya no ha ma na o ha san set na ha ndị Igbo egodobi ya na kata ma ha ye vote ndị be ha enye ha nsogbu no ka ma ha vote onye Igbo nwana kata ma ndị be ha no east mana achọ ha gbagote ebe ha nwakwu ndị be ha no ndị Igbo nọkwu north achọ ha onye ọbụla gbadawabịa they rather do that kind of voting than to vote one of their brother that Muslim and the person does not value their Muslim heritage. That is what this guy is trying to say. So we are still coming. No matter how Peter Obi he will still be regarded as Catholic. Me, I like him Peter Obi as a person. But the only thing I'm against of Peter Obi did not fall on Nakaya, so no hammer all in this country. Go check your history. Ever since Imatali here, now maka election of Nigeria, how many times ka onye Igbo go vice president to a contestant that won the election? Starting from Obasanjo. Obasanjo with Yoruba, nearly with on Sahawi, no. Obasanjo putati Yaradua we deal with onye mba mmiri hedia we know. Jonathan weli gote afuna Jonathan yemi hedia awopu Jonathan T Buhari onye Yoruba vice ya. Then Tinubu Buhari analicho weli ochiche onye Yoruba onye Hausa bụ vice ya. Then what are they scared of Ebonyi Igbo? This is what this guy said. And no, the only thing they are scared of, but Hassan Peter Obi put own can vote where no obuli in a Buddha neighbor. So Kata must Buddha neighbor man than for them to mingle with some certain kind of people. So let's go again.
Haka muna shirin tawa al'ummu. Idan Tinubu da jam'iyyarsa ta PDP ta APC kai suka matse mu muka nemi mafita muka rasa karshen mafitan mu in dai Peter Obi ya tsaya takarar shugaban kasa muna tabbatar musu wallahi za mu yi Peter Obi mu da su kowa ya rasa.
Awesome. That na regime Tinubu na push her to the wall. That na Tinubu push her na hanena for that there is nobody else left for them to back. That they rather back Peter Obi so that Kahama lose way government here, can the Yoruba lose the government here? That is what I have been saying. That the North does not have any representative that can match Tinubu to. Kugumia countless time. I have seen it countlessly. North does not have anybody they can present in this election. North doesn't even like Atiku. Yerima is a problem for them. They cannot back Yerima up for presidential election. So, all these things how Peter Obi is the only option. Even this guy confirmed that which they have done. They are for anybody that they rather choose Peter Obi and go for him. Lose.
Idan Peter Obi ya ci zaɓe a Najeriya mun rantse da Allah babu wanda zai danne masa. In ka iya in kun yi danne wa Atiku ko za ku iya danne wa Kwankwason ya ci zaɓe. Peter Obi in ya ci zaɓe billahi allazi kun yi kadan kun sha kurkura kuna ku danne Peter Obi kuriya. To sai mu tattara mu zabar. Mu sauke ku mun yi riga mu yi asara duka. Wannan shine sakon da muke aika ku da shi. Idan kunnan ku ya ji gangar jikin ku tasiri in kun gyara abinda muke zargin kuna zaluntar mu in ko ba ku gyara ba to muna masu tabbatar muku da cewa mu da ku wallahi da.
Now, at the end of the day, the guy ended up by saying that no also kwa handi be ha me no man. Mama kwa hane na ya for obo ya na ha yetiri Peter Obi akwụkwọ. So that can double and the cannot reform their electoral. So in other words, he's speaking in parable. He's also sending a message to their people. Need to zero your house in order that they will go all out for Peter Obi. Once they go out for Peter Obi, now the only thing is how we are no Muslim can have Muslim. Manana hayana for zeketa akali go catch them. So that it is better for them to tell Peter Obi. In other ways, let them lose from both sides. Yoruba lose, we have lose. If that is what they are scared of. Some of them will hear what this video. So, we hear what about in a comment section. We are here to also educate our people and enlighten some people. We share what we know. The reason why the comment section is always open is for us to also learn from you. Avoid the OE. Sometimes you might hear the nature video, you got along with it. You could put your opinion in a constructive way rather than you. Because a house divided against itself cannot stand. I still repeat, I trust Roman Hausa when it comes to election. When it comes to election, Corona Kedin Hausa, even Hausa, so Buhari Chigidai, Chepo, none of them came out and speak against the evil Buhari men in this country. I don't trust them when it comes to election. I never trusted them. When Buhari did as a Muslim ticket, they all supported the agenda. They did not kick against it. Apatabiakwe Peter Obi na Azona, so that Peter Obi rescue the shame they have brought upon themselves and their people. I still repeat, Peter Obi is somebody I love, is somebody I want, is somebody I want, is somebody I love. But when it comes to mingling with Ndausa, I did not trust these people. I don't trust them. Ekwukwa the same thing mgbe Showere. Ekwumechi na Showere decide ya na no ya nọrọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụ Chukwunna decide no ya nwaka uye use. Ọnụcha ọgụ na he should go his way. That we should not forget who Showere is when it comes to anything that has to do with Igbo agenda. Ekwucha ya oluro 1 month unu fu ihe ojeje mee Alex Oti na Abia State. I said it. So when it comes to election, when it comes to that has to do with the seat of Nigerian power, Chief of Commander-in-Chief of Federal Forces of Nigeria, these guys are scared of Igbo people occupying that seat. And don't you know what they are scared of, but only time will tell. So thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Call the one.